How can you take advantage of your downtime during the COVID-19 pandemic to get your diagnostic capability sharpened? We're going to find out next. Due to COVID-19, the collision repair industry is seeing tremendous changes occurring. What can you do now to prepare for when the economy turns back on? Establishing and improving electronic procedures is one thing. What percentage of vehicles leave your shop missing electronic procedures? And how can you improve on that? Here are 7 suggestions to use your downtime to improve your electronic procedures. Learn what you're working with. You may know what the systems are, but do you know how they work? Learn and practice looking up necessary procedures. Practice looking up procedures on ALLDATA, the ICAR RTS website, and estimating systems. Download position statements. Start files for easy access to information. Place links to websites such as OEM One Stop to quickly access information. Research equipment requirements. Do you have or does the company you're using have the proper equipment? Research what is needed for the environment required to do procedures, space, level floor, lighting, etc. Is your equipment updated? Vehicle procedures change continuously. Having updates is critical to doing the job correctly. Train people on how to use scan tools and software. Take some online classes. Access tool manufacturer websites and see what they offer to improve your skills. If you're slow due to the quarantine, now is a good time to look at what is new in vehicles. If your shop is still running full tilts, it's still a good idea to implement some of these suggestions if they're not already part of your daily life. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.